Question number 3 asks, which of the following fractions is closest to 0? Whenever you see this, closest to 0, we can think about absolute value. So which one has, in other words, the smallest absolute value? So we're looking for the smallest absolute value. I'll write that up there. And right now, none of these have common denominators. We have 12, 3, 6, and 4. However, if you were to find the lowest common multiple of those 4 denominators, it would be 12. So let's rewrite all of these in terms of 12. Then, once we have common denominators, it's very easy to compare them. So this one I could multiply by 4 over 4. That's like multiplying by 1, so it's not going to change the number, it's just going to change the way the number looks. The number will still be equal to the same thing. So this would be negative, and you have 2 times 4 is 8, and you have 3 times 4 is 12. 5 over 6, you can multiply that by 2 over 2 and get a fraction over 12. This would be 10 over 12. 5 times 2 is 10. And finally, 3 over 4, you can multiply that by 3 over 3 and get 9 over 12. Now if we're taking the absolute value of all these things, absolute value of negative 8 over 12 would be positive 8 over 12. The absolute value of negative 5 over 12 would be positive 5 over 12. And then these ones are already positive, so if we take the absolute value, they'll stay positive. This is 10 over 12 still, and this one is still 9 over 12. So which one of these has the smallest absolute value? I look at these and it's pretty clear that this one has the smallest absolute value. So choice A, the one that was already written as a fraction over 12, already had the denominator of 12, choice A is the correct choice.